Hello and welcome back. My name is Ayat and today I will be discussing the initial spouse visa and its requirements. First and foremost, on behalf of the Sterling Law Firm, we would like to congratulate you on finding your partner for life. Now that the search is over, the immigration technicalities begin. So what is the spouse visa? The initial spouse visa, or known as entry clearance, is the first step in coming and joining your partner here in the UK. Your partner in the UK must be either a citizen, someone with permanent residency, or someone that has been granted refugee or humanitarian protection status. As for the relationship itself, to prove and be eligible to apply for this visa, you will need to show either a marriage certificate, civil partnership, and even in the event that you don't have either or, if you can also prove that you've been residing with each other for minimum 2 years, you may still be eligible to apply for this visa. Moving on to the first requirement of the relationship. So what does this entail? This entails that one, you need to prove a genuine relationship, but you can only begin to prove a genuine relationship once you can prove that your relationship is not prohibited by law. So what does it mean by being prohibited by law? Is that it is a relationship in which you are closely related or you are under the age of 18 years old. So law in this case is referring to UK and England laws. Now moving on to genuine relationship. Genuine relationship, this can be proven by providing your marriage certificate or statements by friends and families, photos. You just need to portray it to Home Office that your relationship is genuine, the love is real, and you're practically soulmates. That's what you're trying to come across to Home Office. Now moving on to the second requirement, English language. So for English language, to come to the UK and apply for this visa, you will need to prove a minimum level of A1. This has to be evidenced by certificate, by an English language examination, or if you come from one of the countries that are purely English speaking, such as USA, Canada, New Zealand, you will be exempt from this English language test. For the full list of all the institutes that Home Office recognizes, please don't hesitate to contact myself, our team, or you can even do some research and you will find it on gov.uk. Financial requirements. So for financial requirement, you are going to need to prove a combined income or single income of £18,600. However, if you are planning to apply with children from abroad who are not British citizens or already living in the UK, then you will need to prove an additional £3,800 for the first child and £2,400 for each additional child. So for example, if you're coming here with 3 children, then that would be £3,800 for the first, $2,400 for the second, $2,400 for the next. And this is in addition to the $18,600. So the financial requirement can be met and proven through employment, self-employment, pension, cash savings, etc. But it's important to note though, if you are going to solely rely on cash savings, then you will need to prove, and this is only for one partner coming, this is excluding the calculations with children, that you will need to prove in the account £62,500. Now, if your income falls a little less and you do have cash savings can be combined with income to meet $18,600. So it wouldn't need to meet $62,000. However, it is important to know that for self-employment, you are not allowed to combine it with cash savings. Also, another aspect that is important to note down, if you are relying on employment or self-employment, you will need to prove that you have been receiving this income for a minimum of 6 months. So if you just started a new job and you've been in this job for 2 months and you'd like to bring your partner, you wouldn't be able to do so unless you rely on cash savings, or you wait another 4 months and then you will meet the requirements. So now from everything I just mentioned, you need to make sure you are eligible and that you meet the 3 requirements to apply for this visa. If you have any further questions or require clarification or even assistance please not hesitate to contact myself or the Sterling Law Firm, and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.